Hello everyone, this is Janelle O'Clue of Lojo Immigration, where we provide you with confidence and clarity with your immigration legal matters. All right folks, in today's video, we're going to be talking about getting married. Hey, good news, right? So specifically, what I want to discuss with you is what happens if somebody has sponsored you for immigration to the United States and then you get married, okay? Say your parent has sponsored you to immigrate to the United States. We all know that it's a bit of a wait, okay? Oftentimes several years wait. What happens if you get married in the interim, okay? So first off, if the parent who sponsored you is a United States citizen, that's fine. Say when your United States citizen parent sponsored you, at the time you were an adult son or daughter, meaning you were over age 21 and unmarried, then you would have been in the first preference category. That's the F1 category for unmarried sons and daughters of United States citizens. If you get married while you're waiting for your case to go through the system, then your case will be transferred to the third preference category. That's the family-based third preference category for married sons and daughters of United States citizens. That is going to mean that it's going to be a bit of a longer wait for you, okay, because the family-based third preference, FB3, is slower than family-based first, FB1, but nevertheless, you'll eventually get your immigrant visa and also your spouse, okay, and any children that you might have had in the interim while you were waiting, they're also going to be able to get visas to come to the United States with you. So that's fine. Now, what about another alternative? What if at the time that the immigrant petition, the Form I-130, was filed for you, your sponsoring parent was a permanent resident, okay? So your mother or father had a green card and they sponsored you as an adult son or daughter, okay? That is the family-based 2B category, okay, 2B. It's separate from family-based 2A, where the children are minors. They're under the age of 21. With family-based 2B, this is for adult sons and daughters of permanent residents. But here's the thing, it's only for unmarried adult sons and daughters of permanent residents, because when the sponsoring petitioner, okay, when the petitioner is a permanent resident, there is no provision for married sons and daughters of permanent residents, okay? I'll repeat that. There is no provision for married sons and daughters of permanent residents. So that means that if your parent is a permanent resident and they remain a permanent resident and you get married, then your I-130 petition is invalidated, okay? I know that's shocking news for some of you. You know, you'll oftentimes run across people who are kind of delaying marriage because they're waiting for their immigration process to go through, okay? Someone will ask, well, what about if my parent naturalizes? Okay, so if your parent naturalizes before you get married, then okay, then once you're married, you would be in the F3 category. But if your parent hasn't naturalized, your parent is still a permanent resident, and you get married, that's going to be the end of your immigration process, okay? All right, and then finally, how about this kicker, okay? What if you've gotten your visa in the F2B category, okay, for adult sons and daughters of permanent residents? You've gotten the visa, but you get married before you show up in the United States. Okay, that's another toughie. That's another toughie because it's not enough to just get the visa, but you need to actually like use the visa to immigrate. You need to actually land in the United States as an unmarried son or daughter of a permanent resident. So if you have questions, because I know there's so many different scenarios, so many different permutations, ways that this could happen, please reach out to us here at Lojo Immigration. You can find us on the web, www.lojolaw.com, or give us a call at 1-650-275-5656. That's 1-650-ASK-LOJO. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.